Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple smoky eye in the most simplest way that I know to teach you guys. This is a classical smoky black eye and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subby, welcome to my YouTube channel. I do beauty, I do skincare, makeup, lifestyle, all that good stuff. So make sure you definitely subscribe to the channel. And to all my old subbies, I hope you're all doing fine. And let's get started with the video. So firstly, what I did to prep my eyes for my smoky eye is I literally applied this concealer here. This concealer is from Sleek. It's the Life Proof concealer and it's such a lighter shade. I tend to use it when I'm doing like eyeshadow looks that need like a lot of pigment and need to just pop a little bit. I apply this and it just helps for my eyelids to look much more awoken and to look much more brighter, to make the color stand out a bit more. So I applied this and then I set it with some setting powder just as normal. Before we get into the video, if you do feel like the black eyeshadow that you're going to be using is going to fall out, then just apply a little bit of like powder just underneath your eyes a little bit, and that should help with fallout and to catch any eyeshadows if they do fall out. So that's a little tip to do if you're going to be using eyeshadows that are going to be going all over your face. Another thing is to do everything after you do your eyes. I tend to do that sometimes, but with the palette that I'm using, it doesn't fall out, so I won't have that problem. So anyways, let's get started with the video. Today for this classic smoky black eye, we're going to be using Patricia Rich in Life palette. You guys know that I love this palette. I use it for all my looks. At the moment it's a favorite for me, so we are going to grab that. The first color that we're going to be using is that brown sugar, and it's that light chocolate brown, and I absolutely love using this for transition color as a transition color because it just pays off and makes your eyeshadows pay off very well. And if you're going to do a smoky eye, I do suggest to use a transition color. It's going to make your eyeshadows pop. Your eyeshadows will look more gradient and less harsher. So that's what we are going to use. We're going to use that in our crease area, and I'm just going to grab my blending brush and we will get started. So I'm just going to go in with my blending brush, as you guys can see, and then what I tend to do is I just blow off any excess eyeshadow just so that it doesn't fall out. So what I do is I literally just start in the crease, and that's where we're going to start applying this eyeshadow, and all you just need to do is to work the shadows into your crease area. Really take your time. If you're new to this, don't rush the process and don't press too hard. The trick is being light as possible, and especially if you've got really good brushes, you shouldn't really need to press in really hard. So that's what I would definitely recommend. So just apply it in your crease area. As you guys can see, I'm just slightly dragging the product a little bit out, but not too extreme out of that eye socket area. So you just want to do that, and then just blend that product everywhere. Make sure that you leave your eyebrow bone area empty. Do not apply eyeshadows up there because it's just going to look really pandery and not very nice. So this is just perfect. Apply a little as possible if you're still new to this, and then work the product in just like that. So you just want your eyeshadows to just look just like that for your transition color. And then now we're going to go in with the next eyeshadow. Next eyeshadow that I'll be using is this Jet Setter, and it's a dark shade of the dark brown, and I love this for smoky eyes. We're going to go in with that again on the crease area, just like that. And then we're just going to work that product in. Then for the star of the show, we are going to be using the Star Girl, and it is a nice, really matte black shadow. That's what we're going to use for our smoky eye. I've just got another blending brush that I'm going to be using, and this blending brush is from Le Splash Cosmetics, and it's a really good blending brush. The others that I use, I just get them from Amazon, and I'll put the link of the eyeshadow brushes and all the eyeshadow brushes that I use in the description box below. And all I'm just doing is I'm just patting that into the center of my eyelid. Note that I'm not dragging the product, I'm just patting it in really nicely, just in that center. Just like that. Then what we're going to do to finish off the eye, we are going to use the same eyeshadows that we used on our eyes. We're going to use them on our lower lash area. So I'm going to go in with a flat angled brush that looks like that. Sorry guys, let me focus this for you guys to see. So I'm just using a flat angled brush and I'm going to use that on my lower lash area. That's what I always use because I just find it easier to get into that area. And then all we're going to do is we're going to just blend in that brown sugar first. Then we're going to go in with Jet Setter, apply that as well. And then last but not least, we're gonna go in with Star Girl. Same motion, which is the blending in effect. Just like that. Just blend that out and into that lower lash area. I like doing this because it just creates a uniformed look and it just looks nicer for your eyeshadows to look that way. Whatever you do at the top, you want to follow up and bring those colors right down to that lower lash area. It just looks really effortless. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get our blending brush and just go through any like little mistakes or anything that needs to just be blended out. I'm not applying any product to it, I'm just literally using what is on my eyelids. I'm just blending that out. Now I'm going to pop my lashes, I'm going to do my mascara, pop my lashes on and come back and show you the finished look. So guys, this is the finished look in terms of the Black Smokey eye. I really hope that you found it useful and helpful. I know a lot of people are intimidated doing the Black Smokey eye because of the dark colors, but I hope that this, like my video or you watching my video has helped in terms of what to do and what you might want to change just so that it's easier for you. This is literally just a simple, easy tutorial. I do this myself and I find that I do not end up messing my eyes or anything like that. So I really enjoyed creating this for you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like the video, share it with someone that you might know that is a makeup lover or might enjoy these kind of videos. And also don't forget to click my playlist for beginners guide to makeup. I've got like all of my beginner videos that you might find really useful. They're so simple and easy, so I hope you can tune into that. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you guys in my next video. For now, take care and I love you guys. Mwah. Bye dolls.